All right, so page 3. Here we go. We're getting into the proofs now. So let's remember and let's go through again. How do we do an actual proof? So step 1 here is going to be to T-chart and then statements
Hi,
and
it's me,
reasons.
Ella.
Thanks, Ella. And everyone, my daughter Ella.
Okay, pretty much fine.
So givens. So there is the median of triangle QP, and QN is congruent to QP. All right, and we go to given. Okay, so we're immediately going to mark down anything we know is congruent. So we know that QN and QP are equal. Okay, we got that down. Okay, now median, new vocab word thrown in here. Shouldn't be new. We did the constructions earlier this year. We talked about medians. Remember, a median of a triangle, okay, connects from the opposite vertex, so the vertex up top where Q is, and it's going to hit at the midpoint of NP. So this median, when it intersects, is going to create these two congruent segments here, okay? So for step 2, if this is a median, and this won't be on the test tomorrow, what would be on the test is something like R is the midpoint, or QR is a bisector of NP. So just keep that in mind. We're going to say that NR is congruent to RP. Okay. And then the reason we're going to put down here, let's get that out of the way, is just in this case, the median, what is the median doing? Cuts the side of the triangle and don't touch that in half. Okay? And that'll be enough to get that there. And there's Ella. All right. No more touching, please. Thank you. Okay. Now,
That's it. That's it again. Okay.
so we know now that this is congruent. We're going to mark that down in our diagram. And then the last one we got, so we don't have any more givens. We're going to go over to the diagram. And we can see from the diagram here that we have this shared side, once again, QR. Okay. So QR is congruent to QR. Would be next. We're going to throw down the reflexive property. And then that'll tell us the triangle NQR. It's congruent to triangle PQR. All right. And then this would be, what's our reason? Well, we have side, side, side labeled. All right. Ella's got big news, guys.
I know.
All right. Seriously, you got to go now.
Okay.
Okay. I'll call you back at the end.
Okay.
All right. Okay, number 10.
We know where it's at.
All right. It's the same deal. T-chart. Get a pen that works. T-chart. Statements and reasons. And then once again, so we have AB perpendicular to BD. So remember, keyword perpendicular, two lines that cross and form 90-degree angles. So we're going to be looking for some right angles somewhere, okay? Same thing with AC and CD, looking for a right angle somewhere. And then we have AE and DE are equal. So we're immediately mark down AE and DE equal, okay? Keyword perpendicular. So AB hitting BD, there's our right angle right there. AC and CD hitting, there's our right angle right there. So you can either say the right angles are 90 degrees, and remember we can use one letter, like angle B is 90, angle C is 90. Okay? And then we're going to throw down the reason, symbol perpendicular, so definition of perpendicular lines. Once again, remember, if you forget, just explain. Perpendicular lines form 90-degree angles, okay? Any one of those things. After we get two things equal to 90, we're going to set them equal to each other. So angle B is congruent to angle C, would be next. and that's just substitution. Okay, so now we got those congruents. We got an angle, we got a side. Now we have to be careful here because if we get another side, right, we're going to have our donkey theorem, okay, or we're going to have to use HL, and there's not going to be an HL in the proof yet. We haven't gone through that, so we know we're looking for another angle. So we're done with keywords. We're going over the diagram, and you should notice here when the two lines intersect that we're getting those two angles to vertical angles equal. Can't call it angle E because there's more than one angle E. So we got angle BEA equal or congruent to angle CED. All right, and this, remember, it's not definition of, it's vertical angles are equal. All right, good deal. And then, do we have enough to get the triangles congruent? Yes, we do. We have angle, angle, side. So we can finish off the proof. So triangle AB here, it's congruent to triangle DCE. And then angle, angle, side. If you write side, side, or side, angle, angle, it's the same thing. So either way, you're good. Okay? And that would be number 10. Number 11, new word popping up here, altitude. Okay? So remember, triangle, the altitude is drawn from the opposite side, and it's perpendicular with the side across. You won't see this on the test tomorrow. It would normally be like perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay? Or it might be that these two triangles are right triangles. So perpendicular lines get 90-degree angles. You can throw down the right triangles have a 90-degree angle, or even just right triangles. Right angles are equal to each other would be fine. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So once again, doing the chi chart here. Okay, statements, reasons. Please make sure you're doing statements and reasons on the top. I don't want to have to deduct points because you're not setting up your proof correctly here. Okay. All right. Anything congruent? No. Keywords, altitude. So altitude once again means that we have 90-degree angles. So 2, we're going to throw down that angle NRQ is equal to 90, and then angle PRQ is equal to 90. 2, reasoning. Altitude of a triangle forms 90-degree angles with the side. All right? Okay. Once again, we say two angles are equal to 90. The next step is to set them equal. So, all right. And that's substitution. Okay. All right. Because I have it up there. I'm recording, making a video. You want to say hi to everybody? Yeah.
I can't see anyone.
I know you can. Yes. Peek underneath.
What? Hi?
Yeah. Here. Stand right here.
Oh.
No, that's Kate. Well, she's shy, so we'll do that later. All right.
What did they say?
Nothing. They can't see him right now. All right. Let's finish this off. So once again, we got this going on. Another key word here, bisect. So remember, I bisect a watermelon. It means that NP is being cut in half. So we got NR and RP congruent. Okay. All right. And then in this case, we're going to have definition of segment bisector. All right. And then we're done with the givens. We're going to the diagram. We got that side being shared. So QR is congruent to QR. And then this is the reflexive property. Okay, do we have enough to get it done? Yes, we do. So triangle NQR It's congruent to triangle PQR. All right, and here we got side angle side. And we're all done. All right, and that's page 3.